coffee going here. We went back with the right bacon. Right bacon even does the bill right here. It's not hard to open. It's not hard to close back. As you can see, they do all that right. A lot of these companies are doing it wrong, folks. But not right. It's too early in the morning to be doing stuff wrong. Lady at church gave us these eggs. They're all double yolk. That's a big egg. These are going to be really creamy eggs. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese. And just a splash of milk. Just about that much.
So you're after that color. That's what that lady told us at that coffee place that time. Everybody has their color they're looking for.
Yeah.
That's my color right there. You didn't even have to do something. I'm feeling waked up now.
She's feeling waked up.
I waked up.
So I'm going to transfer a little of this bacon grease over into this pan. I'd say maybe a half a teaspoon.
I'm going to put your eggs over here.
So I got it on like a medium heat now. I'm going in. The whole idea is to cook them slow. I always loved my granny's eggs. When I'd go to Granny's, she always cooked her eggs softer, but it's all about cooking them slow. See, I'm cooking these really slow. Now about right here is when I'll add the salt and pepper. And I'm going to tell you why. This is why I'm doing it here, because I forgot. There we go. You take them off your hot pan too, because if not, they'll keep cooking. That's the way I do fluffy eggs. You can take these to the next level by doing a little bit of this. Not too much, just a little. That egg is right. Now you're ready to go get that day. Let's go.
It's the big pumpkin, Manny Mac. The great pumpkin. The great pumpkin.
Right here good?
Yeah. Yeah, last year's was, I think, double the size of that one, wasn't it?
It was pretty good size, that one last year.
Yeah.
It's good though?
Yeah, that's good, because we're going to set it up. Well, we usually do it at that corner, but we want to do it at this corner this time?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. They only had little yellow ones this year at the little produce stand, so.
My favorite time of year.
Which one do you like the best, Jonah?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one looks kind of pink. Well, actually, this one looks more pink than this one now that you compare them, you know? I really like the flat white one and the little yellows.
I like the huge one.
You do?
Uh-huh.
How much should our pumpkins cost at the George and Martha pumpkin stand?
$50,000.
$5.
I think 25 cents.
Yeah.
5 cents?
Yeah. Like, nobody has a nickel, but everybody has a quarter. Even a half quarter.
55.
I think 50 cents. I was trying to paint this outside, y'all, but the mosquitoes weren't having it. So now I gotta do a practice pumpkin. I think I'm just gonna do it like that, and then we'll need a brown. Do we have, well,
Yeah.
okay, I think that's a good pumpkin. I mean, I want it to be rustic, you know, looking. See, I'm giving this a little bit of a white, brownish white stem so you can see it. There we go. It is 3:39 now, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and make supper. I just got this all over me. I forgot to show y'all yesterday when we got back, the little haul that we got from the Blairsville shops. We got some of the cinnamon creamed honey. It's sticky, that's what's all over my hand. I picked it up and it got all over me. It's pure raw creamed honey with cinnamon is what this one is. And then we of course got the Bell's Bodacious blackberry jam. It's got the seeds in it. We like the blackberry jam and stuff to have the seeds. Y'all can't see them on there. Let me see if I open it, if you can see the seeds.
Be careful.
Oh yeah. See that? So we got the cinnamon cream honey, the blackberry jam. I got that Who Was Davy Crockett book, and this apple cider donut candle. Anyway, for the chili, I'm making this Better Goods hot honey cornbread. I've been wanting to try this for a while, this hot honey cornbread mix. This Friday has flown by. I mean, it seems like it was just now morning and it's already almost 4. Get the taste of homemade sweet and spicy cornbread in only 22 minutes. Just add water. Oh, just add water. Mix, pour into 8x8, blah, 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 drizzle. How much water? 1 1/3 of a cup of water. Okay, I don't know about that. I mean, most of the time with a cornmeal mix, you add eggs and oil and milk or buttermilk. This says just add water. I'm tempted to go with buttermilk instead. I think I'll do a cup of water and half a cup of buttermilk. Okay, I'm gonna start the oven. Since I'm using an iron skillet, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here and let it melt while the oven's preheating. And the chili that I'm making, I was gonna make the, oh yeah, that was something else that we got, y'all. Where did we put that? This, I almost forgot. We did get the Ski Country chili mix, but I forgot about it and it was too late to soak the beans or anything like that. So we'll try this on the next chili night. Oh, this says create a sweet and spicy dessert by topping it off with vanilla ice cream. I don't think I've ever had cornbread with ice cream.
Well, we'll try it.
No, I'm not trying it. Yeah, we're gonna go half cup buttermilk in here and a cup of water. I just feel better about that. Okay, I've got the skillet heating up back there for the ground beef, and I'm gonna chop up this onion. I'm just doing a really simple chili. This time I got the Kinder's wood-fired chili seasoning packs. The last time we made chili, we used that 4-6's ranch hand, what was it called? Chuck wagon chili mix. That was really good. This is gonna be a beanless chili. I think I dropped a piece of onion somewhere. Do y'all like it with or without, or you don't care? I mean, I don't like hate it if it has beans, but if I, you know, could choose, I would always choose no beans.
Oh, it's hard to stand when I'm getting taller.
All right, y'all, this is very soft. Now remember I put that buttermilk. The package didn't say that, but I think it made it great. Anyway, I already tasted it. It is a sweet cornbread, and normally, you know, we don't like our cornbread to be sweet. This might bring me over to the sweet cornbread side. It is good. There's a little spicy kick, not too bad. Very fluffy. I mean, super, super fluffy. It's good. I made it. You want proof that I made it? He don't believe I made it.
I thought you about it.
You don't believe I made it.
Girl, you better quit Hobby Lobbying on me. Something's up.
Is this a hayride?
Come on, folks, it's the early hayride.
Mama, you walking back.
Man.